Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer crypto to cash on Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into crypto, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. By 2025, Robinhood has streamlined its platform even more, with enhanced security features and faster transactions, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up. If you don't, download the app or head to their website and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see all your holdings, including your cryptocurrencies. For this example, let's say you have Bitcoin or Ethereum that you want to convert to cash. Step 1. Locate your crypto assets. Tap on the Crypto tab. It's usually front and center. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell. Robinhood's interface is user-friendly, so this should take just a few seconds. Step 2. Hit the Sell button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to sell. Remember, crypto prices can fluctuate wildly, so keep an eye on the market before you proceed. Once you've confirmed the amount, review the transaction details, including any potential fees. In 2025, Robinhood offers competitive fees, often under 1%, but always double-check. Step 3. Execute the sale. After selling, your funds will convert to USD and appear in your Robinhood cash balance almost instantly, thanks to their improved processing times. Now, to get that cash into your bank account, go to the Transfers section. Step 4. Initiate a withdrawal. Link your bank account if you haven't already. It's secure and straightforward. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. Transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with Robinhood's 2025 upgrades, it might be even quicker. A quick word of caution: always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and be mindful of tax implications. Converting crypto to cash could trigger capital gains taxes, so consult a financial advisor if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your crypto to cash on Robinhood. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your crypto questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.